So, today I missed the bus, but it doesn't mean I still can't prank my sister. So my dad, he got this air horn prank. He got this air horn, and I'm gonna go do the air horn prank with my sister. Right. She's watching her TV right now. I don't know what she's watching. Okay, so I'm gonna... Hey, what are you watching? Pause it, so I can tell you something.
You actually have a salad patch. Okay, let's try this. What flavour is that?
Dad said that we can get a fudge-sicle. So, if you want one, come out and get one. Okay? Huh? No, you can come get one. I don't care if you're... I don't care, come get one. Riley, are you coming? I got her, guys. I even got the dogs. I'm like, that thing's really loud. It even hurt my ears. Oh my gosh. No, Riley, no. I was doing it for a prank. Riley, I was doing it for a prank. Okay, stop. But we even got the dogs. The dogs are over there barking. And remember, if you like the video, like it and subscribe. And yeah, this is the first time over here. We do lit pranks, and even sometimes I'll do some vlogs. So, this was a prank. Peace, subscribe, and like.